I'm Megan from the Children's Room of the Westerly Library. This summer, we will be sharing easy, no-bake recipes that you can make at home with your parents' permission, of course.
And I'm Judy from the Children's Room of the Westerly Library. All of our recipes will have very simple ingredients that you might already have in your home. This week we're going to be making peanut butter banana crackers, and these are the things that we will need. We'll discuss substitutions as we go because you might not always want to use the things that are in the recipe. So this week, we need crackers, peanut butter, banana, and maybe a drizzle of honey if you like, but I don't think it's necessary because bananas are very sweet. We need 2 knives, one to spread the peanut butter and one to slice the banana.
First step, wash your hands. The next step is to spread peanut butter on the crackers. Next step, cut the banana in little slices. The last step is to put a slice of banana in between each cracker and make a little sandwich out of each one. If you can't eat peanut butter, try making the snack with almond butter or sun butter or even something else like cream cheese. And make sure you always clean up after you're finished.
That's it for today. Look for us next week on the Westerly Library website.